Welcome to another V.A.E. vlogging and eating with Sista Girl Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? I was flying, so I was repping the brand, you feel me? Sista Girl Tuesday shirt's still available. You guys, I am blessed to report that I have safely made it to California in this trash airport that they call LAX. Who's driver and traveling companion for this San Francisco excursion. Stay tuned.
Can I get a egg and cheese croissant, please? And can I also have a side of curly fries with that?
What size, sir?
Medium.
A medium, please. Thank you so much. I hope you have the same.
Thank you.
I'm loving this.
The nicest
Right? Like,
drive-through
you know, he was really concerned about how we're doing on this beautiful Thursday
I
morning.
respect that.
Like, I endorse it.
Can you tip drive? I want to tip him.
Hey. It's our first break from the drive at a Chevron gas station. That's all I have. So we're about to go over a bridge. I thought I saw a sign that said maybe this is the Bay Bridge. I don't know, but according to the GPS, we're about to go over lots of water, which means we're going on a bridge. We're going on a bridge. We've only been in San Francisco for like 10 minutes, and this driving situation, my chest. I'm not even the one driving. So many people, they're all, it's a lot. Everyone in this city is in a hurry. Like, I don't know what's happening.
Look at this!
Oh, God.
Look at this!
I'm about to get kicked out.
It's a mirror!
At it. San Francisco. Ow, ow. Shout out to the lady at the front desk who was like, you need this floor. Day 2. Dang, I really had to lift the camera up far because I'm short. And we are gonna go do our little excursion today. Getting on the cable car. This fool stopping traffic with these poses. What? Oh. Dixon's on there. Look at the hustle and bustle of San Fran on a Friday. Came across the cutest little gym. And they've got some pins in here. I'm trying to decide. Which one do I get? This one or this one? Or both? Like, just look how cute it is. Here, this is the Grove. Nice little menu situation. What'd you get?
I forgot.
Something Benedict?
Some Benedict, I don't know.
Look at how cute this grilled cheese is. Vegetarian chili. Look how fire my side salad is. I can see the arugula from here. There's like a gang load of cheese in this grilled cheese. Looks like it was done on a panini press. That's kind of cool. Okay. All right. Wow. For it not to be somebody's mama's chili, this is really good. There's a little kick back there too. Here, tell us about your journey to get your try.
So like so basically like
I was rushing to get here. We showed up at 1 o'clock. The little trolley thing leaves at 1 o'clock. And then I had to go to the little processing and payment thing. And then when I went to the process and payment thing, it was asking for my license plate number. I don't know why it was asking for my license plate number. And I had to go back to my car and look at the license plate number. And I had to come all the way back. And then I had to put the license plate number in. And then I had already paid, but I paid for a ticket that was the wrong license plate number. And then I had to put it in my card again to pay for the right license plate number. So I spent $60 on the parking spot.
But we made it onto the I'm excited.
This is downtown Fisherman's Wharf. You cannot get more downtown Fisherman's Wharf than right here. Look at the sign. And the owners of Victorian homes know that if and when they go to sell their homes, we're going to make money.
Look guys, it's the bridge. It's the bridge. Ultra touristy. Wouldn't be a San Fran trip if we didn't come here, right? So, this is the scary part of the trip. We are going to Six Flags Discovery Kingdom here in Northern California. First of all, I don't know if you can see that, but the rides are like mad close together. It low-key looks like a children's park. But I'm a little bit scared. No, honestly, I'm a lot of it scared because it's like fright night. I don't know what to call it. And I don't like scary stuff. Oh, gearing up for the. Where you're trying to jam pack all the excitement in, so you gotta take a 5-hour energy, but it's gross. Ooh. Step one of conquering the Fright Fest or whatever this is entering the park. Step one, done. Last couple hours in San Francisco, taking advantage of this beautiful view. Alright, I'm gonna try this horchata donut.
I'll say it.
Oh no, I'm a little underwhelmed.
Wasn't your expectation? It didn't meet your expectation?
Still a good donut though.